President Akufo-Addo ambassador Kaza. Say not to me catch the MPP for say we don't deserve jobs in this country. Nana, you can't choose president for us. Someone, as someone said, was here candidato to Papa. And party. Already know your statement is paving way for group easily. Mosima Minka, Ubo Tinikosa Kutre, Usima Moba Umiedi. I have to let him know. I have to let Baumia know. Papa is causing damage to him. Because he said the best man. In the Equatorial. Now, we best man, there's already chief of staff. Said we about permanent people. Obia. I have some Sabbath on me. Obia, no, so what? You know what? Free no one. You better more revenge. Sir, I tell for power is still with Bawumia. La. What? For him to make that statement against MPP people? Yadi yankwase for any juma. Yanko school denti. Go fire. President Akufo-Addo ambassador Kaza. Hey. Nana Ntiminka. No kasa pa. Nana kasa won't be nya successor. Me catch say Nana to me catch the MPP for say we don't deserve jobs in this country. Nana, you can't choose president for us. Mama bai.
Ya wona na sika wo oni hia da enti ye kan hia onim bi ona empty stomach da on fa akomko da na se wo ye ohia ni ba wo di gari aduane anopa ne anumre ena se wo ye obatan na se wo sori anopa na koko 1 cedi kra wo nya sika ma wo banko konto bia ehọ na wo behu next time mo to aba youth mo to aba ema obi a obeboa o man no onipa wotena Ghana ha edi kom ohia ni ba owiemfo ba odwen Ghana man ho oni e beto aba ma no okay yemfa degree bia yentisi ano yemfa ho ni school a okọ yemfa ho ni degree a wobo okay ye bre e wo Ghana ha say ye bre pa ye money bre okay oba besia me akasa me di sika hwenkoda school amomako school enso munya adwuma nye okay Ghana ye dia kola bi bre me ne papa ne mami ko wo Nigeria Asha ekuta bachelor's in ye friend saying in science onya adwuma nye okay enti se obet on obet na TV so now ka kire me say adinti na me judge na Akufo-Addo say what cost spend 3.6 honorable are you thinking about Ghana or you're thinking about yourself okay MP member of parliament na modi o mabegu MP so aso den no mo ye mayen. They're not doing anything for us. And to say young voice out. That's a freedom fighter. Who is gonna fight for us? End this in resu. Obia video mi try. Obia to me can't tell me say end this in resu me kamanu to me menya end this ni. And I menya MPP ni. Ye neutral. Oh ye member. Oh ye. O man paying na so ba no be dia die. Na se wa nyire wo ho anya bibia ye beka wasam. Okay? Amamo na Akufo-Addo ebu na enkoyie. Keta hye ni dwirim ni dɔɔso. What's it? One one kasa panko for some ya de no kra no na kata hye ni dream na kaniba ba akopɛ betima ko edi MPP dia ko 7 million no no nko atena se na wadi abra mo sori am party organizers ene niam wo honom na sa 7 million intimi build half no south intimi build half no south na wona bo wanya onya audacity abetena TV so e ka se eni ko sa me kyena se na me judge na Akufo-Addo share bibi bia kata hye bia be koso bia ye beba beka ye di beba out ni aba beka ama manfo hu se de o mampanyin no si bu o man no na o man no esi chia na ye ndwin o man no ho sa na ye beba beka se na ebe ya next time o to aba kokromoti na ye de to aba no ene ne be jaje ye ntina ho anya ho NDC penso ye anya ho me twa video twine Jonas o twa video e support ye asoma bia me kan bia no de ba out but that time na organ na henti no video na ntima anko viral to send ne mo pa mo nko check YouTube na mo nhwe. What it? International engancha me say menka manuntum. No, menka manuntum. Abra me won koda me di o makosuko mu nya adwuma nye. Abra Ghana ha ehia ekum yen. Abra oba tan ne ba nya adwane ni. Na wakɔ spend 3.6 million. Na say ye ka wo se yenka yanuntum. Yen dwen de odi ba ye ho. Yen dwen de odi ba ye ho. Ye dwen ne wakɔ spending unnecessary spending. And no na ye dwen ho because that sika no could do a lot for us. Okay? Could do a lot for us. Yentina ho emma enfofo na ne enfofo na yen kan che say oh eni aban ebe ye yentina ho se emre na ekọ se 2021 emre ekọ nanim enti se ye betena ho nom ne ye ka say MPP for the yen kam oda bi who said this century and among for obi assority MPP aban why because ya brand ho and now we are so freedom fighters ni na ye nyina ya Ashanti region ye nyina ya Ashanti for do you know why because ya tena say ho ama nothing is going on in Ashanti region edwuma ni Ashanti region nothing is going on in Ashanti region okay Ashanti region ye bre papa what it schools in here opesa school papa ayi just all the ne kwa Accra na Satem adentia abra ahaso so eye Ghana enye Accra enye capital town ni Kumasi. Okay, na se wo your man panyini na se wo ndwen ye ho bosia na wo bono wo fa me mekreti adwuma wo ba obeda adayen ye kumi no obeda adayen say one district one factory. Nana, how many years have you been in the throne? Where is the factory? When are you going to build the factory? When are we supposed to wait? Opesa yentena say now free so and son obeka chese obedo factory na share Asante region ye bro. Asante region ye brepa share a free anopa na onobo kene Agyapong meto mensa frose brekuma se esika nipa de be fa ka akroko adwuma kra woni bi obiti esuo ye bo a anasa tano so onante form free ye friend say esuo ye bo a sa ko sika jetia adentia because oni sika wo de be fa ka